The vice president of the Polish-Chinese Business Council told Xinhua in a recent interview that the China International Consumer Products Expo in Hainan will be conducive to trade and two-way investment between Poland and China.
They will see that that's a good place, to invest or to buy some products and import them to China. More Chinese companies, more Chinese people coming to Poland, I hope it will affect more Polish product export to China. We found some partners for Polish milk, because Polish milk is getting more and more famous in China. Last year it was about 3,000-4,000 containers to China. It's a huge market. Of course, there are many opportunities. Poland and China should cooperate much more.
The third edition of CICPE opens on Monday in Haikou, the capital of the southern province of Hainan. Over 3,100 brands from 65 countries and regions will take part in it.